How to replace iPhone XR battery. Warm the screen to easily pull away. Use appropriate tool to insert side of screen. Be careful from top. Face ID should not be harmed. Congratulations! Screen successfully pulled away. Now remove cover to disconnect battery and screen connectors. Now carefully keep the screen away from repairing area. It's time to remove battery. Be gentle and do it slowly. And if feel difficult, use liquid or heat gun not recommended. Battery is removed successfully. Now clean the sticky tape from surface of mobile. Insert battery inside mobile. Before stick, connect battery connector, so battery stick appropriate place. Connector should not be damaged. Battery placed perfectly now. Clean mobile borders to place new water resistant tape. Use same model water resistant tape only. Do not place any other mobile tape inside, otherwise it's harmful in case mobile contacts water. Now connect mobile screen. All connections should be carefully connected and battery connector should be connected in last. Cover all connectors, tight the screws. All done. Now pull in screen and tight screen screws. Mobile is ready now. iRepair Zone, London. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more.